Want your fence to look like it costs thousands without actually spending thousands? You're in the right place. Start with your post caps. Swapping in decorative caps, especially solar or metallic styles, can instantly elevate the look of any fence. Dark, rich stains like walnut or charcoal gray give your fence a premium vibe. Make sure to prep and seal it to keep that color long-lasting. You don't need custom fencing to get a designer look. Add lattice toppers, horizontal slats, or even faux stone panels for a budget-friendly boost. A little greenery goes a long way. Use tall plants, climbing vines, or flower beds to make your fence pop and feel intentional. You'd be surprised how much better your fence looks when it's just clean. Power wash it, replace broken boards, and reseal it once a year. Soft outdoor lighting or LED string lights can add both style and security, especially if you're showing off your upgraded fence at night. Small hardware like decorative hinges, handles, or iron brackets on gates can give your fence a polished designer finish. Not sure if your fence just needs a refresh or a full replacement? Visit CAANFenceInc.com or call 781-767-3596. We'll help you figure out the best option for your home.